Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to find the minimum and maximum element in an array. Here element should become okay. Let's see how we can do that one. First I will explain the logic. Let's take okay. I will increase the font size. See here. See here, we will take an array. Okay. Okay, fine. Then let's take some numbers. Okay, then 40. Okay, fine. Then 90. Okay, then we will take 5. Okay, one more number, right? So we will take 35. Okay, let's take here. Let's take this one here. Let's take 90 here. Let's take 5 here. Let's take 35 here. See here, we are having an array, and we are having the 5 elements in that array. So next we will take one thing, minimum, and we will take one more thing, maximum. Okay, equal to okay. Here what we need to store in the maximum and what we need to store in the minimum. See here, okay, this is the 0th. Zero and 1 and 2, then 3, then 4. See here, we are given an index value for this array. Okay, see here, we are given we are taken an array, then we are given means we are stored some of the elements in that array, then we are given an index value. So we need to take a maximum and minimum. Here we need to store the maximum element present in that array, then here minimum element present in that array. Here we are having a maximum, right? So for initially what we need to do is see here, first initially what we need to store in the maximum and minimum is first we will take an first element present in that array. We will take, let's take it is a a. We are given an array name as a. Okay, so here a of 0. A of 0 means 40, right? 40. Then here also we will take a of 0 equal to, here we will take 40. Okay, we will take 40 here. See here, first we will take an array and we are giving a name for that array like a. Then after that we are storing some of the element in that array, then we are giving an index value. Then see here, we will do one thing. First we will find the maximum element present in that array. Alright, we will take first maximum element present in that array. So first we are assuming that first element is the maximum element present in that array. So we are taken a 40. Then after that we need to iterately check the every element present in that array. We need to compare that. We need to compare this maximum, right? Maximum what we are having 40, right? After that we need to check every element present in that array. So we are taken a 40. Then we need to check that here 40 is maximum or 10. Here we need to check 40. Then here 40 greater than 10, we need to check that here a of 1, here this element is greater than 40 or not. No, it is not a greater than 40, so we are not doing anything, we are not exchanging the values here. Then we need to come here a of 2, right? In a of 2 what we are having 90, right? So we need to check again 40 is greater than 90. Then here we need to check that if the value is greater than 40 or not. Its condition is true, right? So condition is true, so we need to change the maximum value. So maximum is now is maximum equal to 90. So we are overriding the value of the maximum. Initially it has a 40, then we are comparing with every element. If that element is greater than that maximum element, then we are changing the value of the maximum. Here we are changing the maximum value, that is we are putting the 90. Then we need to check the next element. So here maximum is 90, right? So maximum is 90, and here check that greater than 5. No, condition is false, so we are not doing anything. So after that 35, right? see here it is a 35, right? So we need to check that this is the maximum value. Then here 35, no, condition is false, so we are not doing anything. Here no element is there, right? That's it. We will get the maximum element present in that array, that is the 90. See here it is the maximum value. This is the maximum value and this is a of I value. This is a of I value, this is a maximum value. And here I will explain quickly once again. We are taking an array, then we are giving a name as a, then we are giving an index from the 0 then up to the 4, because we are having a 5 elements. Then we are taking as a maximum, we are taking a maximum value. So we will take a of 0 first element as a maximum element, we are considering that. Then we need to check with the every element. If that element is greater than this maximum, then we are overriding the maximum value. Let's check here 40, right? We are taking a maximum as a 40. Then we are comparing here 40 is greater than 10. No, it is wrong condition, so we are not doing anything. 40 is the greater, right, compared to the 10. Then we will move forward. Then 90, we will get 40 is greater than 90. We will compare this one. Yes, condition is true. So what we are going to do is we are overriding the maximum value. So now 40 will be overridden by 90. Then we will get a maximum as a 90. So new updated one maximum, we are comparing, we are taken that value and we are comparing the next element. So 90 is greater than 5. No, condition is false. We are not doing anything. Then we will move forward 35. Then here 90 greater than 35. No, condition is false. We are not doing anything. We will iterate it fully, right, up to the length of that array. So we will get the maximum value, that is the 90, right? This is how we are going to find the maximum element present in that array. Like that minimum also same we are going to do. We will take a minimum. We are assuming that first element is the minimum one. We are taking that a of 0 equal to 40, right? We are taking a 40 as a minimum. Then we need to compare here with this element 10, right? 40 will be, okay, 40 will be over, 40 will be overdone here. Okay, then here see 40 will be, let's take here 40, right? 40 is the minimum one first time. Then we are comparing here with the 10. So 10 is the minimum one compared to 40, right? This will be overridden and then we will get a 10. Then compare with next element 90 and 10, which is the minimum. 10 is the minimum, right? So we are not doing anything, means we are not exchanging the value. Then we will come forward. Then 5 and 10 we are comparing. 5 is the minimum one, right? So we are overriding the minimum value and giving as a 5. Then we are going to next and we are going to see here 35 and 5 we are comparing. 5 is the minimum one. Next we are not having any value. That's it. So we will get a minimum as a 50. What we are comparing here is we are going to compare here maximum, sorry, minimum, right? So minimum one and here and a of I. How we can code that part? Let's go programming class. Okay, I will close all the unrelated files. Okay, then okay. Class, okay, maximum minimum element. Then click on public static void main. Then we will take an array. We will take a. Then we are going to take that element itself, int a equal to. Then we will give some values here. We will take the same value so that you will get a clarity. 40, 10, 90. 40, 10, 90. Then 5. Then 35. 2, 4, 5 values. Right. So what we are going to do next is we will take a two variable, right, maximum, and in maximum what we are going to store a of 0 value, that is a 40. Then first we are going to find the maximum. Okay, let's take for int I equal to, I will start from 1. So because we are taken first value, right, so we need to check from here, right, from the next element we need to check. So I will take it from the 1. Then I is less than a dot length, then I plus plus. Then here we need to check the condition, right? What we need to check the condition? Okay, n is missing here. Okay, what we need to check the condition here if we want to do that one. See here what we need to check here, right? Maximum is greater than a of I, right? So we will do that part. If maximum is greater than a of I, then here we will take that one. Then if the condition is true, what we are going to do, we need to replace the value of maximum, right? So we are going to replace the value of this I. Then we will print the maximum element. So maximum element present in an array is, then here plus maximum. Okay, we will save this one and let's see, we will run. Maximum element present in an array is 90, right? We got here, right? Maximum is 90. Then let's see how we can find the minimum one. So let's go, and here we need to take one variable called as the minimum. Then we will take a of 0, right? A of 0. Then here int I equal to 1. Then I is greater than a dot length, then I plus plus. Then here we need to check one condition here, right? What we need to check the condition here? Let's go. If minimum is less than a of I, so let's go. If the condition is true, then we need to override the minimum value. So a of I So in that iteration, we will going to get a minimum value. So I will print that one, sys out minimum value present in an array is. So let's give min. Save the program and run. See here, minimum value present in an array is 5, right? So 5, right? This is how we can find the maximum and minimum element present in an array. This is asked for freshers in an interview. So it is easy, just understand the logic. Okay, if you have any doubt, comment below. See you in the next. Thank you.